Wind surges again, driving snow through gaps. Logs creaking but holding. The structure absorbs the force through weight and interlock. When the wind settles, the workers brush snow from joints and continue calmly. Nature tests the cabin and moves on. A massive roof beam is lifted with ropes and pulleys, scraping free of snow inch by inch.
Shadows drift along the snow, marks of everywhere we go. Bridges built from long ago, timeless as the sky we know. Forward now the journey calls, a promise made while evening falls. Underneath these icy halls, our vision stands, it never stalls. Echoes of hope, the winds reply, unbroken spirit reaching high beneath the vast.
Dawn finally breaks through thinning clouds, pale gold light spreading across the snow. The cabin stands complete, roof finished, walls aligned, windows clear. One controlled hammer strike rings through the quiet forest. The workers stand facing the cabin in silence as warm light glows from inside, and a thin line of smoke rises gently from the chimney. Wind calms, snow drifts lightly, and the vast forest stands silent around the finished cabin. A cleared path leads from the door, benches sit quietly in the snow, and a low stone fire pit burns steadily, sparks lifting briefly before vanishing into the cold air. The cabin stands grounded and enduring in the frozen wilderness.